So my wife and I are staying at the Robinsons' tiny house in Joshua Tree, California. We just got here today. We drove up to the property and it's super cute when you get here. The front mural is adorable. We were kind of wondering about doing a mural at our new place in Tucson and just love the colors and look and how it gives you a really kind of fun feel when you drive up to the property. Jump inside here. It's just adorable. So it's a tiny house. It's like 400 square foot. So you have the bedroom here with lots of colors, beautiful lighting. Funny thing, we actually started using these lights in one of our properties as well. They're really nice, but a lot of inspiration for us as new hosts, seeing kind of their decorating style. So this adorable little touch they did here, it's this little LED kind of neon looking sign with these palm fronds. It just really adds to the feel, especially with these palm leaf wallpaper behind, and then with the bright orange bedding. Just love the feel of this. It feels very tropical, very paradisey, as you can see from the sign. It just adds to the look and feel. Another thing we really like is the way they organize the kitchen. So it is a tiny house, so the kitchen is small, but everything's really high quality. Marble counters, lots of amenities, plus like everything's laid out super well. There's also really handy little labels where everything goes for plates, bowls, things like that, mugs. But it's just like packed full of amenities. So as you can see, multiple coffee options, this beautiful industrial sink, the countertop surface there, full-size stove, oven, microwave. So they really found a way to pack this full of amenities, and it's really great to see. So again, as new hosts, we're just looking for ways to improve and learn from people that we respect and see a lot in this industry.